PGYTECH Beetle Camera Clip Tutorial. Camera installation. Use the hexagon or the slotted wrench to mount your camera onto the 1/4-inch screw, which can be found on the snap lock plate. Backpack installation. The point of rotation has 2 gears and the buckle has 3 gears to adjust. Ensure the Beetle is attached horizontally onto your strap. Adjust your clip according to the thickness of the strap you're using until fixed firmly. Belt installation. Make sure the Beetle is attached vertically to your belt. Adjust the clip according to the thickness of the belt you're using until fixed firmly. Carrying your camera. The Beetle Camera Clip enables you to quickly mount and lock your camera, just one step to attach your camera. It even locks extra securely to offer increased safety. The snap lock plate lets you install your camera in any direction instantly. Access to your camera. The secondary lock fastens your camera 100% securely. You can instantly access your camera by just unlocking the button. Enjoy using your camera in a flash.